So, I'm going to be doing some frame reinforcing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing and kind of a what's going on video, kind of like an update. Because I don't know if you've noticed, I've slowed down to one video a week. And pretty much I'm having some let's call them frame fatigue issues. So I've developed a crack on the frame, and what I'm gonna end up doing is adding these upper and lower brackets from HR Parts and Stuff. So I've developed a stress crack on the frame, and to solve this, what I'm gonna do is that obviously I'm gonna weld the crack, prep the area, and weld over the crack just so it doesn't propagate. And then I'm also gonna add these brackets. This is that's the part number, upper and lower. But I've noticed that most of you guys don't look at the description because you guys always message me about the part numbers that I'm using. So here it is. This is the part number for the brackets. Came straight from Paul, and pretty much comes with instructions. These are the lower brackets, which you gotta assemble yourself. I'll show you in a picture here what they look like. So these are the lowers, and these are the uppers. So on the instructions here, you can kind of see what the lowers look like. How do they go on the frame, and yeah, that's pretty much for the lowers, and these are the uppers. So that's what they look like once they're installed. And I'm going to take advantage that I'm going to be messing with these upper control arms. As you saw in an earlier video, I got the adjustable ones now. And when I go do that, I also got to repair the holes, because the holes where the bolt runs through is actually getting it's elongated a little bit. So I have a little bit of play, and I can hear every now and then when I either downshift or I get on it like right after I brake. But yeah, so this is coming. Another thing that I've always been completely against, but you know what? I drove my Chevelle. My Chevelle didn't have any shock absorbers, and I'm gonna go with the solid bumper mounts, and I also have the inserts, which brings me to the next thing. I'm actually gonna make a comparison video side by side of these versus the stock ones, and then the steel inserts versus the aluminum insert. And I can tell you right now that that's gonna save almost 50 pounds by the end of the whole thing being done. I'm gonna get a little fancy with it. I'm gonna be putting speed holes on the actual insert, not on these. And yeah, so I figured that I'd give you guys a little update and kind of give you an unboxing of this. Another thing that came in the box is a little bit of a catalog. When you buy stuff from Paul, he sends you a catalog, his story, and some other materials. But yeah, so yeah, Paul's been very nice to me. I've actually purchased a few parts off of him. Not necessarily for my build, but for other people's cars. Because with some of them you get certain quality, and here's one example of that. I actually managed to get the whole set for pretty cheap of these, but here's the catch. You can buy the same, supposedly, quote unquote, the same bracket from another vendor, and you get this crap. So yeah, me having some engineering background, I can tell you that this is gonna look like doo-doo after a couple cycles with a bumper on. Maybe if you have a fiberglass bumper, this would do the job, but otherwise I don't think it will. That is just super thin, and funny enough, they both weigh about the same. So yeah. So yeah, try to figure out what you're getting before you get it. That's a lesson learned here. But anyways, these are the ones that I got. These we'll see. We'll later see. We'll see in another video. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. You know what? I'll leave it there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and hit the like button.